Welcome to PurpleExtract, a simple tool for checking Google shopping prices. In this video, I'll show you how to import your products, process them, and download a report. This is our login page. And this first page is for single product searches only. And as you can see, you can either insert a GTIN or you can insert a brand and a manufacturer's part code. We recommend using GTINs as this is the most accurate method. As I said, this is only for single product searches, and as such the results are not saved. If you want to do multiple product searches, you either need to click the Upload Multiple GTINs button or go up and click the Import button. The first import type is the Frugal Online Import. This import is for clients who have already got a Google shopping feed or Frugal feed, and then they can just insert the address of their feed into the first box, and as it says, please make sure you start the address with the HTTP prefix. You then need to select the format of your feed. So XML, if you know that your feed is in XML format, the file might end in .xml. And then tab separated if the columns are separated by tabs, and the file may end in .txt. Or CSV if your columns are separated by commas, and the file may end up in .csv. Once you've selected the format, you just need to click the Start Upload button to import your products into our system. And the next import we'll look at is the Frugal Offline Import. It's the same as the last import. However, as we've seen, some of our clients have got their feed as a spreadsheet, for example, Google Sheets. So this allows them to save their feed as a .csv file and upload it. And as it says, if the GTIN column is empty, you have to have the brand and manufacturer's part code instead. And then you just need to go and click the Browse button to the file, select your CSV file, and then click Open. Then you click the Import button. The next import is the Upload Simple File import. This is for clients who don't have a feed already and can make a CSV file. As it says, the columns required are the brand, name, description, manufacturer's part code, and GTIN. And again, if you don't have a GTIN in the GTIN column, you have to have the brand and manufacturer's part code instead. And then once you've saved your CSV file, you can click the Browse button, select the file, and click Open. I'll show you my sample file. As you can see, I've opened it using Excel, and in this case Excel has chosen to display the GTINs in a number format, which obviously will not work with our system because it's not the correct GTIN, and the number format that should be used is shown in the box above. A simple way to stop Excel from doing this is to format the column as text before entering the GTINs. And if you want to check that the GTINs are correct, you can always open a .csv using Notepad. If we go back to the page, and we'll click Import, and as you can see, the system's imported 5 data points or products. And the last import is the Upload Complex File. Now this is the same as the last import, however it allows you to add extra columns for your own reference and for analysis when you have the report. So for example, the product price, the condition, and the shipping price. And as instruction 6 says, there are different lengths you are allowed for each column. So for example, brand name have to be less than 255 characters. Again, you'd browse to the file and then open the file and click import. We do have sample files available for both the simple and complex file. The next step is to go to the process. On this page you can see how many products you've extracted already this month, then how many credits you still have, how many products are still waiting to process, and the amount of active products in our database. Then have to select whether you want to process all active products, or you can select available credits only. As I've still got 95 credits available, I can select all active products. However, if I was to try and search for more than 95 products, I would have to use available credits. And this would allow me to search for the remaining amount of products I have left, and 1 credit is equal to 1. This would return all available prices. I will select all active products in this case, and then I will click Request Process. As you can see, this has given me a report ID, status, and the date and time I requested this report, and I can give it a unique label as well. So in this case, I will just click the Edit button and call it Main Product, and then click the Save button. Now the next stage would be to go to the Output page. As you can see here, you can either go to List Feed Input, and this page allows you to see what products you currently have live on your account by clicking the Click Here link, which will download a spreadsheet. And the other option available is Lift Available Outputs. As you can see, the report I just requested is pending, but I do have a completed report to show as well. So I'll show you the simple report first. So I'll click the Click Here link to download it as a spreadsheet, and I'll just open it this time. So, as you can see, you're given a unique product ID and a sub-value. The sub-values refer to each instance of a price pulled back for that product. You then have the product name, brand, MPN, GTIN, etc., as well as the retailer's name, the retailer's main URL, and the product URL. And then if we browse across, you can see we've got the price, delivery price, total price, and date that price was extracted as well. If we go back to the output page, and I'll show you the detailed output. Again, click here to open it. And as you can see, the difference on this one is you've got the recommended price, the shipping price, the minimum price, and the cost price as well. And as we mentioned earlier, these would have come from the complex file that you could have imported. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to try our demo service with 100 free credits by registering on our website. Pricing information can also be found by clicking the Pricing button at the bottom of our website. Please don't hesitate to contact us for any further information.